Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can record your computer screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, you can record your computer screen using PowerPoint, but if you are recording games, I would suggest recording with OBS, which is a free recording software. I hope you like this video, and let's get started. First, open PowerPoint. Click on Blank Presentation. Click on the Insert tab on the top. Then on the right side, click on Screen Recording. A recording box will pop up. Select the area you want to record. In my case, I want to record my full screen, so click and drag the pointer to the entire screen. Then, in the recording window, you can also toggle the audio on or off. You can also choose to capture the pointer also. After you have selected the area in which you want to record, click on the record button. Now it will show a countdown, and it will also show you to press Windows Shift Q to stop recording. But alternatively, you can also hover your pointer to the top of the screen to pause or stop the recording. After you have done recording, press Windows Shift Q at the same time to stop the recording. Now it has stopped recording, and it brings me back into the PowerPoint, and it has captured my screen. You can add different color effects, borders and posters. It's a basic screen recorder, but it will get the job done. To export the screen recording as MP4, click on File. Click on Export. And click on Create a Video. I will go ahead and click on 1080p, which is Full HD to make rendering time faster. But if you are uploading to YouTube, I recommend that you select 4K Ultra HD. Once you have done selecting the quality of your video, now go ahead and click on Create Video. And now it will ask you where you want to save your recording. I will save it to my desktop. You can choose wherever location you want to save. And it will create my video file. It will take some time depending upon the length of the video. It has finished rendering my video, and I will go ahead and play the video file. That's it guys, I hope this video helped you. Give this video a thumbs up and thanks for watching.